Warning for Jackson, more than likely.
Stand by for important weather information.
The National Weather Service in Jackson, Kentucky has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Powell County, northwestern Jackson County, and southeastern Kentucky, Montgomery County, Estill County, until 8:45 p.m. At 8:07 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Winchester to near Harris Ferry to MORRILL, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Sterling, Stanton, Berlin, Jeffersonville, Camargo, Clay City, Ravenna, Bronzeville, Lower Spencer, North Irving, Pitt, Patsy, Pressy, South Springs, South Irving, Rice Station, Wagersville, Fitchburg, Drip Rock, and the U.S.
They have warnings as far northeast as the Pittsburgh suburbs right now.
Between mile markers 13 and 27. Interstate
And as far southwest as El Paso.
105 and 114. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Estill, Montgomery, and Powell.
There you have it, a new severe thunderstorm warning.
This hazardous weather